Can you?
സാർ എൻ്റെ ഇവിടെ കുറച്ച് നെറ്റ് ഇഷ്യൂ ഉണ്ട്, ചിലപ്പോഴേ വരാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ, ചിലപ്പോൾ കട്ടായി പോകും.
Now there is no problem for you. Now your sound is clear.
സാറ് സൗണ്ട് കിട്ടും, ചിലപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഓൺ ആക്കുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ ബാക്കായി അങ്ങ് പോകും.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
ചിലപ്പോൾ വൈഫൈ ഇങ്ങനെ ചുമന്ന ലൈറ്റ് കത്തും.
Okay, okay, okay. I can understand. Okay. Next, Anna. Anna
Yes,
has
sir.
some problem. Okay. Can you answer the question? Wet clothes take longer time to dry on a humid day. Give reasons. Wet clothes.
Sir, question.
Wet clothes take longer time to dry on a humid day. Give reasons.
Because of the moisture present in air.
Okay, okay, okay. Good answer.
Wet clothes take time for drying in a humid day.
Okay, good, excellent. Next question to Fida. Fida.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Amount of insolation decreases from equator towards poles. Give reasons. Amount of insolation decreases from equator towards poles. Give reasons. Fida, can you answer?
Yes, sir. Isolation is the incoming solar energy intercepted by Earth. The amount of isolation decreases from the equator towards the poles.
Screen share ചെയ്തരോ?
Okay. So here one thing you remember that the sunlight that falls directly to the equator, but it is away from that equator, the sunlight will not fall in that area, so that insolation will be less. Got it? That is the reason.
The
Next,
temperature will be decreased in the same manner.
yes, very good.
സാറ് സ്ക്രീൻ ഷെയർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ?
Next question to Hanna. Hanna, can you hear? Hanna? Okay. Then Aquila, can you hear? Aquila?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aquila, can you answer? What is the significance of greenhouse gas?
What is the significance of greenhouse?
What is the importance of greenhouse gas?
It protects us from the solar rays of the sun, harmful rays of the sun.
Okay. Okay, good, Aquila.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. What happens when air is heated? Anna Kutti, what happens when air is heated? Can you tell what happens? Air expands. Very good. Yes, your answer is correct. Which are the two types of winds? Name the different types of winds. Who can say?
Permanent wind, seasonal wind, and local wind.
Permanent wind, seasonal wind, and local wind are the three types of wind.
Okay, local winds, trade winds, and seasonal winds. Okay, good. Next, Alina, can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Alina, can you answer? Name various forms of precipitation.
Sir, can you repeat once more?
Name various forms of precipitation.
Sir, I cannot hear you.
Okay. Nayan Pillai. Okay, okay, you can tell.
Sir, I will.
Rain.
Rain,
Snow.
snow, hail.
No, sleet, hail.
Okay, snow, sleet, hail, then,
Snow.
Rain, rain, rain.
Rain.
okay.
Rain.
Okay. These are all
Snow,
different.
sleet, hail, rain.
Okay, good, very good, very good, very good. Excellent. These are the various forms of precipitation. Next, Harida Harikumar. Harida,
Yes, sir.
okay. How do bacteria help plants use nitrogen? How do bacteria help plants use nitrogen?
Bacteria such as nitrogen can take nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert it into soluble form, and it helps plants to survive by depriving nitrogenous nutrients. It helps
Okay,
them
good.
to absorb nitrogen
Yes,
just
yes.
to help plants to survive.
Okay, very good. Excellent answer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next question to Nayan Bile. Nayan Bile.
Sir,
Okay. Why is temperature in cities much higher than that of villages? Why is temperature in cities much higher than that of villages?
sir, in cities there are industries, cars, vehicles, etc. that release CO2 and other pollutants. These pollutants are greenhouse gases which increase the temperature, whereas the vehicles in villages are eco-friendly. So the temperature is higher in cities than villages.
Very good. Excellent answer.
Sunil sir, can we say this because cities have concrete and metal stuffs which absorb sunlight and heat from the sun during daytime and release it during night. But in villages,
Yes.
they does not have concrete or metal rods. Instead, they have mud rods.
Yes, yes, that is also correct. Both these answers are correct. Say, why do astronauts wear special protective suits when they go to the moon? Why do astronauts wear special protective suits when they go to the moon? That Sheda, who is that?
So can I?
Yes, you can tell me.
There is no air in the space, and this protecting shield
Ah,
for astronauts. If
ah,
they did not wear this special
ah,
suits, the
ah.
pressure exerted by astronauts' body will make the blood vessels of astronauts to bleed, and
Ah.
thus astronaut will bleed.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good. Blood vessels will burst. Yes, your answer is correct. Next, next, Srinivedya, can you hear? Srinivedya, Vrinda Vinod, can you hear?
കേൾക്കാം സാറ്.
Okay, okay. So listen very carefully. Poor girls drop out of school because they are not interested in getting an education. What is your opinion about the above statement? Poor girls drop out of school because they are not interested in getting education. What is your opinion about the above statement?
Girls drop out from school because of the... Sarah, poor girls drop out from school because they are not interested in education. അതല്ലേ?
What is your opinion?
So poor
Is it true?
girls, if it is poor girls or it is not a poor girl, all the girls or and the boys need education. The
Why
poor
they
girl,
drop out? Why? Can you tell
because
some
of the
reasons?
money.
because of the fees that the schools take from the students, it is the major problem for the parents, for poor children.
Okay. I agree you. Other than this, any other reason? Other than this, school fees. Other than this, any other problem?
Discrimination.
School fees അല്ലാതെ എന്തുവാ?
Sir,
Lack of
transportation
Discrimination,
which
sir.
they can't
Discrimination.
afford.
Facilities
Ah,
and
Discrimination.
Sir,
discrimination.
transportation which they can't afford.
Transportation. Yes, lack
Not
of
be
transportation.
available.
Discrimination, transportation, and the fees, and
Proper schools.
Unavailable
No
Proper
teacher
facilities.
in
proper
the
schools
school.
and teachers.
No
Yes.
regular basis.
no female teachers in all the schools.
Yes. These are all reasons that poor girls they drop out of school because of these reasons. Other than this. Okay.
Sir, can we say that they are pressured to do household works than study?
Yes. That is also correct. That is true. Which are the struggles women can adopt against gender discrimination? Can you say some struggles that women adopt
Rallies.
against
When they go to a shop and apply for the job,
rallies?
they describe their
Okay.
for
Rallies,
being a
awareness,
female.
campaigning
Awareness.
and raising awareness
Campaigning. Yes. Awareness.
Rallies.
about the
Campaigning.
discrimination.
These are the measures they adopt against gender discrimination. Through this, they are yes. Next, yes. Those who didn't answer, you can answer like Kailas, Karthik, Kashina. Some children are there; they won't answer. So now, Kailas, can you tell? Dowry is considered a social evil in the society. Do you agree this statement? Dowry is considered a social evil in the society. Do you agree this statement? What is your opinion about dowry death? Kailas?
So what you ask?
Dowry. Do you know what is dowry?
Sir, dowries.
Is considered a social evil in the society. Do you agree this statement? What is your opinion about dowry death? Then who can say?
Dowry.
Who can?
So can I say?
No.
You can tell.
Sir, can I say?
Yes. You can tell now.
Dowry can put great financial burden on low income families.
Yes. That's the exact answer.
Dowry deaths also happen in many places of India and all over the world. When girl childs are getting married, the husband family members ask for dowry, and if they do not get dowry, they may kill the brides. And because of this, many women have struggled to get rid of this. And in 1994, a law has passed that when a girl childs are getting married, no one should pay dowry. And if so, anyone had taken dowry, they will be punished.
Okay, good. Good.
Sir,
Who is that?
dowry system 1980 അല്ലേ sir pass ചെയ്തത്?
Dowry Prohibition Act that was passed in the year 1961. I think so. Let me check. Yes. Who wrote the story Sultana's Dream? Who wrote the story Sultana's Dream? What is the story all about? Who wrote the story Sultana's Dream? What is the story all about? Shweta? Who wrote the story Sultana's
sir.
Dream? Who wrote the story Sultana's Dream? What is the story all about?
Rokia.
What is that story all about? Who can say Sultana's
Sir,
Dream, the
Sir,
story?
can I say? Sir, can I
Sir.
say?
Or can I say?
Sir, can
Yes, yes.
This story imagined of a woman called Sultana who reaches a place called the Ladyland. It is a place where women have a total freedom to study, work, and create innovations like controlling the rain and clouds or flying aircrafts. In this Ladyland, the men had been sent into seclusion. Their aggressive guns and other weapons of war defeated by the many brain power of women. As Sultana travels in Ladyland with his sister Sarah, she awakes to realize that she was only dreaming.
Rokia
Okay.
Sharma wrote
Okay.
in the story, she says that of her dreams of Ladyland, Ladyland is a place where women have a full freedom to study, work, and create new inventions, just like controlling rain from the clouds and flying aircrafts, where men are allowed to follow or make inventions just like women. Rokia Sharma was given what guidance by her elder brother and sister, and she also introduced a school in 1910 in Kolkata for girls only. Now still this school is in process.
Okay. Good. Many people believe that Many people believe that women make better teachers and nurses because they are more patient and gentle. Look the statement. Many people believe that women make better teachers and nurses because they are more patient and gentle. Is it true? What is your opinion?
Yes, people or and the society believes in this statement, but it's not true. Girls or women are capable for doing another jobs. They can also do nursing, teachers, and they can also do jobs like doing pilots and
What the
etc.
men will
jobs.
do, actually what the men will do, the women can also do.
Yes.
the woman can
Yes.
also try the jobs as the men's done.
Okay. Good. Who founded Arya Samaj? Srinivedya. Who founded Arya Samaj? Kashinath. Avantika. Who was the founder of Arya Samaj? Elsa Abraham. No response, nothing at all.
Sir.
Sir, can I say?
Yes, you can tell now.
Dayananda Saraswati.
Very good. Excellent. Then Adul S. Krishna, can you answer? When do we celebrate International Women's Day? When do we celebrate International Women's Day? When do we celebrate International Women's Day? Who can say?
8th March.
Sir, 8 March.
Very good. Excellent answer. 8th March. Next question to Neha Mariam Sabu. Who is the writer of Amar Jiban? Who is the writer of Amar Jiban? Who is the writer of Amar Jiban? Neha. Ron, Tom, Jimmy. Can you answer? Okay, can you tell?
Sir, I don't know.
Who is the
Can I
writer of
tell?
Sir, can I say?
Sir, can I say?
Vasundhara
Sir,
Devi.
can I say?
Vasundhara Devi.
Vasundhara Devi.
Yes, Rasundari Devi. That is the right answer. That is the right answer. Yes. Give any. Can you tell one example of stereotype? Can you tell one example of stereotype?
When a father buys a car for a boy child and a doll for a girl child.
Okay. 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 Can you tell some examples of print media? Can you tell some examples of print media? That is, Jeffin, can you tell examples of print media?
Newspaper and magazine.
Newspaper, magazine, journals, newsletters, these are all print medias. Okay. Next question to Avandiya. Avandiya. Name the social reformer who founded Brahma Samaj. Name the social reformer who founded Brahma Samaj. Avandiya? No response. Aduresh Krishna?
Sir, can I say?
You can tell now.
Rajaram Mohan
Sir,
Roy.
Raja Mohan Roy.
Very good, very good, very good. Excellent answer. Rajaram Mohan Roy.
Sir,
Next. Yes.
sir, what was the question? Can you say again?
Question is, who was the founder of Brahma Samaj? Yes, Rajaram Mohan Roy. Next question to Nayan Bilay. Major part of the air is constituted by. Major part of the air.
Yes, sir.
is
Nitrogen, 78%.
Nitrogen. How much percentage?
78.
Okay, good. Nitrogen. Next question to Sana Sabir.
Yes, sir.
Air contains dash particles.
Air contains dust particles, water vapor, nitrogen,
Air
oxygen,
contains.
argon.
Air contains which particles?
Dust particles.
Dust particles.
Yes. Correct. Dust particles. The next question, the component of air that supports burning is called. The component of air that supports burning.
Oxygen.
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 Yes. Correct. Yes, that is correct. Yes. Then next question, Mahadev. When we do not treat people equally or with respect, it is called dash. When we do not treat people equally or with respect, it is called when we do not treat people equally or with respect, it is called
Sir, discrimination.
Sir,
discrimination. Excellent answer. Discrimination. Yes. In dash areas, there are neither proper schools nor teachers. In dash areas, that is
rural and tribal areas.
Rural areas, there are neither proper schools nor teachers. Next question to Hannah has some problems. Okay. Next, Advaita Ramesh. Advait Ramesh. What was the title given to Rama Bai? What was the title given to Rama Bai? What was the title given to Rama Bai? Shravani,
Pandita.
Pandita. Pandita Rama Bai.
Pandita Ramabai.
Because
Yes, correct.
she learned to read and write Sanskrit, which was an awesome challenge in the region where girls were not allowed to study.
Oh, correct. Next, mainstream jobs are reserved for men in many educational institutions in Kerala. Mainstream jobs are reserved for men in many educational institutions in Kerala. What is your opinion? How women can come forward to solve this problem? Mainstream jobs are reserved for men in many educational institutions in Kerala. What's your opinion? How women can come forward to solve this problem?
Sir, to everyone or to particular person?
You can tell no.
Women and men have equal rights in the society, but men are given more guidance. So women can protest against this by raising awareness, rallies, campaigns, or creating a drama showing the discrimination or stereotypes between women and men. Also, they can protest against what illegal treatments or unequal treatments done against women.
Next question, give an account of the different layers of the atmosphere. Give an account of the different layers of atmosphere.
Troposphere,
Stratosphere,
stratosphere,
mesosphere,
mesosphere,
thermosphere,
thermosphere, exosphere.
exosphere.
Atmosphere, exosphere.
Troposphere, which is 8 to 15 kilometer. Stratosphere, which is 50 to 60 kilometer. Mesosphere, which is 90 to 120 kilometers. Thermosphere, which is 120 kilometer to 600 kilometer. Exosphere, 600 kilometer to till space.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you hear me?
Now I can hear. Was Rasundari Devi a superstitious woman? If not, why? Was Rasundari Devi a superstitious woman? If not, why?
Rasundari Devi was a superstitious woman because in those days women were not able to study. Even though after her marriage she tried to study, she stole a few letters from the study book of her elder son and took Chanakya a book from his husband's bag, and she tried to compare both of these, and after her tries of sleepless night, she learned to read and write, and Rasundari Devi was the first woman to write autobiography known as Amar Jiban in India.
Okay. Can you tell the various ways women apply to fight discrimination and seek justice? Can you tell the various ways women apply to fight discrimination and seek justice?
Raising awareness, campaigns,
Rallies, campaigns,
protesting.
Raising awareness campaigns,
Rallies, and doing dramas of discrimination and showing solidarity.
Okay. Okay. Who was Rasundari Devi? What did she write in her autobiography? Sheda. Who was Rasundari Devi? What did she write in her autobiography?
Sir, Rasundari Devi was
Sana.
Sir, she was the first woman in India to write an autobiography. She wrote in the autobiography of the things that faced by a woman to not being educated and doing and either of doing the household works.
Okay. She wrote the book Amar Jibbat, Rasundari Devi. Never forget. Yes.
Sundari Devi was a Bengali.
Ah. What is the difference between discrimination and stereotype?
Discrimination means a person is not given or not treated by people equally or with respect, including in discrimination which happens when people or organization act in their own prejudice. It takes a place when we treat someone differently or make some distinction, while stereotype means that people thinks that particular things can only be done by men and that cannot by women.
Okay, good, excellent.
Yeah.
What is prejudice? What is prejudice? Is it good in society? What is prejudice? Is it good in
No.
society?
No,
What is
prejudice is good in the society as
What is
it does not
prejudice?
as it does not provide equality between people.
It will not provide equal rights to people.
Hmm. Okay. Hair has no dash and one can see through it. It is dash transparent.
Sir, can you
It
repeat
is
the question?
hair has no dash and one can see through it. It is dash.
Sir, question is not clear, sir. Sir, dash has
Hair has no dash and one can see. Hair has no color. That is the answer.
Sir, can we say that it is transparent?
Transparent. Yes, it is transparent.
Sir, can you repeat that question?
Okay. Next. Next question. Listen very carefully.
Sir, sir, question can you repeat? Air has no dash, it is dash.
No color. No color. No color.
No color, it
Sun.
is transparent.
Yes. Was the first lady to run the electric train? Run electric train.
Lakshmi Lakra.
Lakshmi Rakra.
Tribal
Lakshmi
family from Jharkhand. She was the first engine driver of Northern Railways.
Okay. What was her experience when she started
She
her
was
job.
discriminated and she was forced to not to do this job. By that, she was a girl and she was forced to do only household works, but she fought against it. And she said her word says that if anyone says that this job cannot be done by women and this can be only done by women, I make sure that I will do this and show the society that women can also do whatever men can.
Okay, okay. Your words contains feelings also.
Thank you, sir.
Your words contain what we can say feelings. How many minutes are remaining?
Sir, 1 minute 30 seconds.
1 minute 30 seconds. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt is? Do you have any doubt? Hannah.
Dowry system ഏത് ഇയറിലായിരുന്നു?
1961 ആണെന്നാണ് എൻ്റെ ഓർമ്മ. ഒന്നുകൂടെ ലെറ്റ് മീ ചെക്ക്. Prohibition, Dowry Prohibition Act. Let me check. I will tell.